Hey guys, welcome to DevOps School. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Docker. It helps us to create, deploy and run applications by using containers. After going through this tutorial, I promise you that the concept and understanding of the Docker will be absolutely clear to you.
But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOps School certification level courses which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry-level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best and start today.
Okay, so as part of the Docker architecture, your human, client, Docker daemon, containerizer. So let's check it out. So this is my box which I am going to use it. And first, sudo -s. So with the Docker, see, this is the type. Okay. If you see that process table, this is Docker D. Okay. If you see here, they are talking about container. You see, so and container D talk to the customer. So this is the architecture. Now next question is how Docker works. I mean Docker workflows, Docker components. Okay. So now first let me talk about the Docker component. Then I will talk about Docker work. One minute. So here, if you see the Docker component, we have four important things. Docker engine. Okay, this is the Docker engine. One is the Docker image. Docker registry. Docker country. These are the four components. Now the question is, what is Docker engine? So guys, this is called Docker engine. So Docker engine is a tool which you have already installed. Okay. So we installed Docker engine community edition, the one which is already done here. Now guys, what is the Docker image? So I hope you remember this one. One more time, please read this. Boot file system, root file system, user file system, application system. So Docker image is a root file system, user file system, application. Okay. This is a Docker image. Now image is another topic. In detail I am going to talk about tomorrow. Okay. So but this is the image. In short way I'll tell you. From one image you can create multiple content. Okay. Image get mounted, understand that, mounted. See here, I said image get mounted. Copy of image, let's put it up, copy of image get mounted. Here is the, what is container? One mount you get it here also, right? So image get mounted at each container. I said each container. Okay, mindful about this. So from one image you can create multiple containers. From pair of image get mounted at each container. Whatever you have in image, you have in container. You see in container. This is the something which you do. Okay. At the high level, guys, did you understand this? Image is nothing but a file system. Okay. So it's a file system. The collection of file systems, such as root file system, user file system, application. Okay. It's a collection of files. From one image, you can create multiple containers. Copy of image get mounted at each container. Whatever you have in image. For time being, is that okay? Any questions, guys? Any doubts?
Rajesh, can you give a brief on what is Docker client or Docker daemon?
So, human communicates with the Docker client, just like I showed you. See, it's a one utility. You cannot talk to Docker daemon directly. Why? Because, see, if you send the wrong command, it's received by Docker daemon. So Docker daemon might get crashed. So to avoid that, Docker client communicate to Docker daemon. So all the command gets filtered out and right command is then sent to Docker daemon. If you write a wrong command, this client itself will tell you this command is not supported or something. So here you have a Docker daemon. Docker daemon is a daemon process running in the any host which I showed you. Okay. Now Docker daemon send this command to container D. So if you see here, they are running Docker D and container D in this. So now you should be asked what is the container D? So container D is the only who can communicate with the kernel. Now who wrote this? Client. Earlier we had a lot of ways to talk to kernel. But now everyone has used and have finalized. They will use this one only to talk to the kernel to manage the container. Because I told you there are so many containers technology which is lying there. So everyone uses the container. Industry standard container runtime environment. Did you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, do you understand that image everyone? Any questions? Any doubts? Okay. Now, guys, what is Docker registry? So, a registry has a repository. Understand? And each repo has Docker image. Simple. Registry has repository, and each repo has Docker image. For example, GitHub is what? Registry or repository? Tell me. GitHub is a registry or repository? Anyone? GitHub is registry. GitHub is registry. Okay? Bitbucket is registry. GitLab is registry. So these are the registry. So registry has multiple repositories. You can create multiple repositories. And each repo has documents. Yeah. So Docker registry has a repository and each repo has a Docker registry. Artifactory, what is this? What is this called? Artifactory is a registry and it has a repository. So like that. So guys, there are two kind of registry. Public registry, private registry. So public registry, anyone can access it, such as up.docker. But private registry, let's say if you want to create for your organization, you have to use it for Artifactory or Nexus or ECR, something like that. Okay? So you have to have it. So now let's go to the hub.docker and get comfortable. See here and log out. So this is a registry. Okay? Docker Hub. Now here take this. Look at the number. So here you find 100,000 of images, container images. Okay? So different container images. So now the question is, because image has the application file system, user file system, root file system together. Okay. So the question is, which image you want, which application you want to run inside the container? Which application you want to run inside a container? So whatever the image you want to run inside a container, you have to download that image. Image again, remember this. It has a root file system, user file system, application file system. So can you please tell me in the chat window, one person, one application which you want to run in the container. Tell me that in the chat window. Okay. So now I'm taking up one application here. Jenkins is one. So those who have no idea about Jenkins, let me tell you. Jenkins is a needed root file system. Root file system is any operating system file system like Ubuntu, When I say Ubuntu, do not perceive this as a kernel. Okay. Whenever I say Ubuntu saver, that means it's a root file system, not a kernel. So the root file system, and then top of that, JDK has been installed, and top of that, we have Jenkins. Okay, this is the now Jenkins runs as a Jenkins user. So this is the user file system. Okay. So this is the typical things you will see in the Jenkins image. Okay. This is the Jenkins image. Any root file system, JDK, Jenkins user, and application. Okay. This is the Jenkins image. Now, if you look at the Jenkins, it has the two parts, web part and one is agent part, node part. Web part runs on 8080 port for UI. Node run on 50,000 port. Okay. So this is some information about Jenkins. Now, because I want to run this image, this container, I'll go here and search Jenkins. Look at this. Here you got so many filters, and check it out, these filters very carefully. Okay. So many filters you got it. Certified image, verified image, official image, as per the category. So this is base image. Base image means the root file, the one which I am talking. Yeah. So it's like this. So many images are there on this. So here you see, look at it very carefully. When I see the searches, yes, this is the official image. Some filter is also there. Number of downloads, number of stars, platform architecture. Excuse me. So many things are there. Yeah. So here also other image. So look at this. How many results are found? So Jenkins keyword is there in this menu. Okay. So I'm going to use the most popular one, this one. Click on it. And this image I'm going to take for the demo. Okay. So guys, overall, this is the Docker engine, Docker image, Docker registry, and finally, when you run one image, that image get mounted. Read my word. So the image get mounted to user namespace with one network and one page. That's all. Network namespace. So guys, did you understand this now? Everyone? Did you understand? So guys, these are the components of the Docker. So, any questions so far? Any question? Now guys, Docker workflow. Docker workflow. Look at it. First, whenever you want to run any containers, you will send the command to Docker client. Docker client send this command to Docker team. Okay, Docker team, which I set out. Now Docker team and check. Do I have that image? Do I have that image in local registry? Okay, local registry. Understand? First do the check. If yes, call containerize to create container. If no, download image from hub and create and call containerize. This is something else. So this is your Docker workflow. Let me help you to visualize this. Hello. This is the Docker hub. Okay, governance and so on. It's a default registry. How do you see that? I don't know how many of you have noticed. Docker info. And here, this is it. So this is the registry of hub. Okay. Now where is your local registry? So local registry is here, and remote registry is there. So now if you see, I will type a command to Docker client. Docker client is in one machine. Okay. Docker client send this command to Docker dd. dd will check in that image in their local registry LR. If it is there, then call containerize to create container. And if it's not there, then you download from here to here and install. So this is the Docker workflow. Guys, did you understand this? Yes, sir. Yeah. So guys, that's our last point. Container lifecycle. So guys, before container lifecycle, let me prove what is container. What is? Okay, let me prove this one later, little bit later, because I want to teach you first. Oh, what is? I'll do that. That's it. Okay. First, let me talk about the container lifecycle. So guys, I'm not talking about the container lifecycle because I want you to teach me VM lifecycle. Because you've been using VM from last 15 plus years, I guess. More than that, I guess. So tell me, what is the virtual machine lifecycle? What is the VM lifecycle? Start the VM. What is that? Hello? Yeah, so what I'm saying is, so create VM will be the first point. What else? And then start the VM. Do the transaction, basically work on. Okay, let me complete that. So you created a VM, start the VM, stop the VM, restarted. Pause the view, unpause it. Fill the view, remove the view. This is it. Now here it start means running. Then we stop. Here we restart running. Then we pause. If it is pause, then you can do unpause. When you can do unpause, running, and finally you can review. Now the question in my mind I am having is what is a container accessible? So guys, simple. This is the thing. Create, start, stop, restart, purge, unpurge, kill, remove. This is a container license. So guys, one more thing here I want to tell you is, so before creating a container, can we have the image? So you will get the image. You also teach me assignment. I am still not able to figure it out. What is the difference between stop versus kill? You need to teach me. I will ask this question randomly to anyone. You need to teach me. Okay. Pause versus unpause. Okay. So you have to teach me. I will teach you this one. You will teach me this one. Fair deal. So guys, let's start with this. So here, Docker is a command which will tell you all the commands. Docker v is a command which will tell you the version of it. Docker version of the command will tell you detailed version of it. Community, server, client. Okay. Docker info is a command which will tell you information about your host machine with the Docker perspective. Now, Docker help also you can use it for the command. Now, how do you know which are the images you have? Docker images are command. How many images I am having? None. Repository, tag, image ID, created, site. I have no image. How do I know running containers? Docker, yes. Do you have running container? No. How do you know exiting and running container all? A. So guys, these are some basic commands. You must practice it with a peace of mind. I would request you. Okay? So, can I teach you this? Are you okay? Any questions, any doubts before that? Can I teach you? Can I teach you container? Sorry, I missed that. What is your question? What is Docker command do? Running container. All containers. More questions? Sir? Okay. So guys, let me teach you this one. So clear the screen. Docker images. None. What I will do, I'll pull this image. Pulling it.
Rajesh, I have a question here. So we have this default registry pointed to Docker Hub, right? So if we want to change the registry, how would we do that?
Two ways. If you really want to change that registry, you have to modify that Docker registry through Docker config. There is a process which will do. Or if you write the full address instead of Jenkins, HTTP, the full address of your other registry / Jenkins, it will take it up. So you have to. Okay. So now guys, Docker image. I got this. Look at this. Created. Size. ID. Latest. Image. Register. Jenkins. I told you. Image is nothing but a repository. Okay. So it's the image. Now guys, I will show you this workflows. So can I do this? Remember, because I got the image, it will not download. It will directly create. But if you do not have that image, it will download as well. Anyways, Docker PS, no running container. Docker PS -A, all containers. Docker create Jenkins. Remember, we create container from the image. So running. Create. Okay. So this is the container ID. This is the image. Command. 10 seconds ago. Create. Now it's not running. So we do start. Docker. Start. Container ID. Now see up. Running. Docker. PS. Running. Okay. Please read this all this. Stop. Docker. Stop. Container ID. Not running. See? Exit. Hardcode this statement. Exit will come. Exit will be there in a status only at least one time the container has run. So be mindful about it. If the container has run at least one time, then only exit will come. If that's not run, it will be there in the created state. So mindful about it. Okay. Exit it. Stop. I can start it one more time, but restart. Docker. Restart. Container ID. That's very useful. It's running. Again. Can I pause this container? Here. Docker. Here. Docker. Pause. Container ID. Docker. Pause. See, container got paused. See here, container got paused. Docker unpause. And container got run. The container got paused also. Container got run. Paused. Unpaused. Understood guys? Okay. Can I kill this? Docker kill. Containerize. See. Kill. And if I see. So again exit. And can I remove it? You cannot remove it if it is running or exited. You cannot remove it when it is running and pause and all. You have to kill it, exit, stop it to remove it. So Docker R containerizing done. Docker images is still there. Okay. So here it's gone. See here. Open it. No container. So can I create one more time? Jenkins. Can I create one more time? Jenkins. 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 How much time it takes? Docker. Yes, happening. All are created. Okay? Within a second. Docker start. Containerize. 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 And see here. Running. Within a second. Because the 3 containers running. 1 container still. So guys, it's so easy right now. Working with the container. Did you find any difficulties? Did you find any difficulties? Any difficulties?
Rajesh, can you explain what Docker remove? In which scenario we are not able to remove?
If it is running container,
Okay.
then you will not able to. Simple way, I'll tell you. You are,
Okay.
think about it. You are having one process running and that process is reading some file. Okay. So if they are reading, if you try to delete that file, it will not get deleted. It will not get
Yes.
the same way. This container is nothing but a file system. I think that I told you. Look at this. When one image, when you create a container, the image gets mounted to the image username. So that's what it happens. So that's the reason you will not be able to remove as long as the read the process. So this is the command I run in front of you. Is it difficult? Everyone?
So Rajesh, you are running container, right? The container has any image now?
Container comes from the image, no? This is it. This is image.
So can we? Okay. So while creating the container, we have to use the image name, right?
Yes, container comes from the image. See, when you create one container, correct? Container comes from the image. See, read this one specific.
So in this case, like I can create one container for one image, right? So in one container, I can't deploy more than one image.
Read this. What do you think?
Multiple. One image? No, from one image we can create multiple containers. But my question is like from one container, can we deploy multiple images?
Multiple?
Images in one container.
Okay. So you are asking questions like this. You had one virtual machine image. You created multiple virtual machines. Now you are asking, can I convert the virtual machine to image? Is there something like that?
No, my question is like, so if let's say I have two images. One is with Apache, another one is with one JDK. Okay. So I want to run them. So if I want to run them, right, I need to deploy them into any of the container, right?
Yeah. Create start for time.
So yeah, create start. So my question is like, if I use the same container to deploy the both images, like JDK and Apache in one container, can I do that?
Yeah, you have to create one image for it. Why not? See here. Again, look at it. Here. Jenkins. Then here only JDK. So this guy image has everything. You could have it only here, or up to here, or up to here. It's up to you how you develop image. What is image? Again, file system. See, for example, I'll not complicate. I am Rajesh Kumar container. How many applications I'm running? Git also running, Gradle also running, Java also, Maven also, Neuralink also, Sonar to run, Terraform also. I am Rajesh container. Can run so many applications. How come? It's just a file system. That's all. Think. Are you getting it?
That's Rajesh.
More questions?
So in this case, each image has its one port number, everything, right? Okay.
Yes. So you random each instance the same code but with different systems. So I think most of your questions, yes, different application you can run inside one container. Very good. So now we have 3 instances of this. So on each container we have the same code number. That's correct. Yeah, you see, no? Yeah. Because each container got a one network. See, 5080, 5080, 5080, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. I told you, Jenkins, those who don't know Jenkins, here, 3080, more, 50. See, as per the image, now I see here, this is also running 80 port, this is also running 80. This guys cannot run on 80 port because here you get one network. Here they got their own network. I'll prove this. The next step. Got it? Any questions, guys?
If you liked our Docker session so far, please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.